Hello guys, this is how to start your Hamster Kombat if you are having issues with your Hamster Kombat. Right from early this morning, today is Sunday the 14th of July. Hamster Kombat started having issues, and it could be some issues. I don't know what happened, but I think it was actually they talked about it in their Telegram group. Let me see if I can find it. It talked about it that they are aware that the Hamster Kombat is having some issues, and they are solving the issue. Maybe it could be a traffic issue or whatsoever. Okay, let me see. Okay, so look at what it is. We are aware of the issue with the Hamster Kombat app, and we are working to resolve it quickly. They said the app is back. So, and then they give some options on how to do that. So, but why I'm doing this video is that a lot of us will just be trying the old way of trying to open the app, and then you will say that your app is having issues. So look at it right here. If you initially when you want to start playing Hamster Kombat, you click on this place. Alright, so but if you click on it right now, you can see what is trying to show us here that is not working. So what you need to do, there are two things you need to do here. It is either you come here and click on this particular play button here, or click on this play button here. If it does not work, I will show you the next method. So there are two methods to open. If any of them is not working for you, you can use the other one. So right now I'll click on this play here. So once you click on play, most likely sometimes it's going to load, and then you see it happen. All right, so the next way to do that is for you to do this. When you come here, you just put slash start here. Okay, type slash starts. Okay, just click on it, and once you see start, you can now go ahead and then click on the play button. You can then click on this play button here. So if you click on it, it is likely going to work. If it doesn't work, you use the first method that I show you. So guys, enjoy your Hamster Kombat, enjoy your game. This is the Blessed Man, and thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you share this video so that you can help other people who are having these issues with their Hamster Kombat. Let's keep mining, and then let's keep hoping that by the end, before the end of this month, we are going to see the airdrop of Hamster Kombat, and I know a lot of people are going to smile about it. This is the Blessed Man. Share this video, share it to all the people that you know, so that they too can be able to solve their problem. Thank you. I will see you in my next video.